Close.
Yeah, he just couldn't spell it because there wasn't any wind. But if we set him back so it won't be so tempting, you know, cradle him and, you want me to hold your gun? Good boy, good boy. Yeah, that's still pretty close. I want to end on a good note. Because he knows what's going on. Let's even set him back up there a little bit. I just want to make sure that there's not the temptation there to move.
Good boy, Rio. Good boy.
Perfect. Good shot too.
That bird.
I just stand here. That should be pretty easy for him to find there.
Dead bird, Rio. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. Fetch it. Here. Rio, here. Rio, here.
There he comes. Whistle again, or what we're calling.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Rio. That's a good boy. Good. Good boy. Good dog.